Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with another haul video from JOGS in Tucson. It was a bead show. This is number 3 of 4. I know you guys are probably sick of these videos, but I told you, I warned you, we had a lot to go through. This store I hit the second time we went. I forgot to hit them the first time, and I was kind of annoyed that I forgot and I should have remembered. One of my favorite sellers was not there this time because it was a scaled back version of the show. But thankfully this seller was there, and they're called Buddhas and Beads. I don't have a card for them, I don't think. But one of my favorite things about them is they have a dollar table, and I always hit that dollar table, and I always find something different. This time it was lava beads, and Mama got a lot of lava beads. And I told you in a recent video, I don't have a lot of lava beads. Well, I do after this, but first I just see this random strand of purple glass that kind of looks frosted. I think the strand broke in here, so I'm gonna have to rescue the rest later, but here we go. It's purple. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm gonna push in a little bit. Yeah, that's purple. Okay. Just really nice. I thought that would end up going really well with some tribal stuff or African stuff. It was $1. Everything I'm about to show you is $1. So let's go to the lava. I saw them and I was like, no, that's not $1. But yes, it was $1. Look at these big honkin' mamas. Look at them. Look at them. These are 20 millimeter. Yep, 20 millimeter. They're gorgeous. Obviously, I'm not going to make, well, I guess I could make a whole necklace using these, but I probably won't because I like my beads to go as far as they can, and I think this would be a nice accent. It was really hard for me to stick with one strand of each. I'm going to put that out there right now. These are 8 millimeter. I just love them. There's so much texture. These are not the same color. The larger one's a little bit more blue. Some brown. These are approximately 16 millimeter. Love those. This color is interesting. Let me see what it looks like under the lights here. It's like a black purple brown. I know it's not a color, but it is a color because I see it. These are 16 millimeter too. Okay. A beige. I think these are 18 millimeter. They look like sand. This would be really lovely to incorporate in like a beachy vibe, to make it look like with some sea glass and some gold. Oh my gosh, and some rhinestones maybe. That would be really pretty. These are really dirty too, so I gotta wash my hands after this video. We have some green. Now these are the same color. The 8 millimeters are the same color as these. These are 16 millimeter. So again, all of these were $1. $1. Beautiful blue. Just beautiful blue, and I think I got 2 of these because I thought they were so nice. Now they are showing up a little bit brighter on camera because I have light shining right on them. These are just a little bit more dull, it's like a darker blue denim periwinkle-y color. And I think I got 2 strands of those because I thought the color was so fantastic. Or maybe I just forgot and put one, I was carrying like a bin and I kind of covered up the beads underneath, so maybe I didn't see those. Here is like a mustardy color. Oh, these are so yummy. I want to eat them. Like, I know, like, most of my brain knows that you can't eat this, but the part of me that just loves beads wants me to become one with this bead strand by eating it. Oh, I know I say some crazy stuff, guys. All right, so these are green. These are like they're looking very similar. These are mustard. These are like a chartreuse yellow, green, lemon lime green color. They're much lighter in real life. They're looking a little washed out in the camera. Oh, my hands are so dirty. We have a purple. Purple. what was the guy, the McDonald's guy that was purple? It's like that color, purple. I can't remember his name. And then we have a darker purple, but they actually look super vibrant on camera. Love them. Love it. And then the last lava strand I got from this place is like a rust. Well, it's a little bit more red than the brown that I showed you earlier. So they look very similar in the camera. These are more red in real life. So there are all the lava beads. Aren't those so yummy? I just can't believe, like when I saw them, I was like, that's not real. That's not real. It can't be $1. But Julie and I quickly descended on the table and took all the beads. We didn't, actually. There were so many beads. This guy is never going to run out of beads in his entire life. All right, so I'll move those to the side. And then I also got this strand of ladybugs. They're like little lampwork beads. These were $1. They had them in other colors, but I didn't really like the other colors they had. So I just got the purple. Thought they were super cute. I need to make something for my best friend Laura out of those. She calls me Ladybug, and her favorite color is purple. And then I got some really big donuts. Like, Julie was like, what are you gonna do with those? And I was like, why do I have to do anything with them? So I got 5 donuts. They're very chunky. They're very dirty too, because they've been in the bag with those lava beads. But this guy, look at that. See the millimeters here. Widest, it's 15 millimeters wide. Thick, I should say, and probably 50. Yeah, it's about 50, just over 50, probably about 52 wide. So he's a big one. And then this one's about the same size. I don't know what these stones are. I'll have to do some neck exercises if I ever make them into necklaces, because they are heavy. Like this is like 5 or 6 ounces. I got a smaller one. Don't know what stones any of these are. This looks like, it's like a cranberry ice cream or some kind of painting. Another one of these, but it's a little bit, yeah, it's just, well, yeah, he's smaller. You can't tell really, but he's so small. He's smaller. And then this guy. I thought I liked how it was half pink, half red. So those were the loose beads. Well, not the loose beads, but like the bead strands I got from that seller. Now they also had another table, and Julie goes, "Did you see these?" And I was like, "No. What are you showing me right now?" And they were bags. Like, let me back out here. Bags, like a whole table full of these bags. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick out what I want to keep. And then I'm doing several things. I'm going to sell the beads, and I'm going to sell kits. And I promise you, I know I've been saying this for like a year, but I need to get my life together because I have so much creativity, and I want to make these kits, but now I have enough beads to do it. So this was one bag I got, and there are 20 strands in here of magnesite or howlite or whatever they are. And then here's another bag. This one has different, we have multicolor in here. We have just different shapes. Then, oh, this one spilled. 1 second. We have this one. Again, it has different colors. This one actually has one strand of shells. I really like these. It's gonna be hard. I don't know if I'll part with these. This is actually in the shape of a bracelet, but I'm gonna cut this apart, and I'm gonna use this as a pendant. Isn't that a cool shape? And you can use it as like a bolo pendant, or you can wire wrap it to make a loop up at the top. I just think it's really cool. I don't have any beads like that. And there were some that are turquoise right here. So, and then there's like a shell strand in there. And then last but not least, there was this bag. So I made out like a bandit at this shop. I think it was like 40 bucks. I know I say that in each video, but I'm not kidding. I spent $40 or less at this shop for hundreds of strands of beads. Well, not hundreds, but at least 100 strands of beads, because we have these, and then I have each one of these bags has at least 20 strands in it. So anywho, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, because I'm for sure making, like, that was my deal with myself. I have to do some kits or have a sale or something. But I'm just so pleased as punch with all these lavas, with all these honkin' donuts. Girl can't say no to a donut. And although I'm gluten intolerant, so I can't really eat donuts, I have to buy them when they look like this. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Let me know what your favorite part of this video was. Stay tuned. If you're interested in kits, you're gonna be drowning in kits later this year. So I hope everybody has a fantastic rest of their day. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. Hi, buddy. What you doing, huh? Oh, right when the camera comes out, you go to sleep, huh? Look at those cute little eyes and that cute little nose. Hi, baby. Hi, honey. You were just sitting up, looking around. You really don't like the camera. Okay, bye-bye, Goldie.